Don't wait to rent your gear. The worst thing that can happen is getting up to the shop and them telling you they don't have the gear or boots that you need. Here at MarineMax Sail and Ski, you can rent as far in advance as you want to. And you can come in, we'll get you fitted, and then you just have to come pick it up the day before your trip, and you're good to go.
One of the biggest mistakes that's made while buying ski wear is not getting the proper fit. We hear from customers all the time, and even we have an employee that bought a pair of pants and a jacket off of eBay thinking that that was going to save him some money. Bottom line was, it didn't fit, and he had to resell them and send them back. We are here to help you get the perfect fit, the perfect style, and make sure that all your needs are met. You're comfortable, you're warm. Even if you're petite, tall, we're gonna have something that's gonna fit you, and professionals here to help you along the way.
I have a lot of customers that come in that say at last year's ski trip they forgot one thing or another, or something wasn't as waterproof or wasn't as good in condition as they thought it was. So one thing we have here at MarineMax Sail and Ski to help you prepare is our checklist. You can go through our checklist and make sure you have everything you need, and then make sure those things are in good condition. If you're not sure if they're in good condition anymore, you can bring them in and we'll help you assess if they're waterproof enough.
Don't skip the boot fit. If you're taking the time to invest your money into equipment, boot fit is the most important step in that process, and it's the most important piece of your equipment. You have to trust who you're talking to, you have to trust what the measurements say, and you have to trust that you're talking to the right people, and that's definitely us here at MarineMax Sail and Ski. We have plenty of experts who know a ton about skiing, a ton about snowboarding, and a ton about just mountain life in general, and just what it takes to have a good, fun, safe vacation. So definitely don't skip out, don't short yourself on that for sure.
So I hear a lot about people trying to buy online to save money. I've had a couple experiences where people come in and they buy goggles online and they go out on the mountain and the anti-fog is just not there. So they're having to wipe the goggles like every couple of seconds in order to see. It is very important to read specs, and not a lot of people know how to do that. So if you came into the store, we'd be able to help you find what you need and read specs for you, tell you what is warm, what is waterproof, what is anti-fog, and that includes jackets, pants, and just the whole get-up.